The word ambot in Bisaya can mean a lot of things. It can mean, I don't know. For examples, buutan kaya siya? Is she nice? Ambot, I don't know. Is he going to be late? Malate kaya siya? Ambot, I don't know. Muuban kaya siya? Is he going with us? Ambot, I don't know. Can also be an expression of annoyance depending on how it is said. For example, ambot ni mo uy. I don't know with you. Ambot ni mo uy. The word ambot can also be a fun expression to express or indicate that someone is amused with what you said or how you acted. For example, ambot ni mo uy. So that one is a fun expression of ambot. And so there you go. We have 3 definitions of ambot. So ambot can be an expression of I don't know. Ambot, an expression of annoyance. Ambot ni mo uy. Or a fun expression. Ambot ni mo uy. So the key there is to listen really well how the word ambot is being used in a sentence and how it is expressed. And that's it for today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!